This mattress right now is very popular. We can see from here. Please note this is Gale cooling memory foam mattress, and only you change the zipper, it will be change another design. Let's see what is inside. On the top layer, it was cooling Gale memory foam. This is cooling Gale memory foam. Yes, you can see when you press the cooling Gale memory foam, what it look like. This is cooling Gale memory foam. Is in the summer when you sleep on this mattress, you will feel very cooling way. But if you open air conditioner, you also can feel very cool. This is cooling 2 cm cooling Gale memory foam. This is 3 layers, 3 cm of egg foam, cooling Gale memory foam, leg foam, and then this is high density foam. This is like maybe 50 cm high density foam, 30 density. And this is egg foam 3 cm. This is cooling Gale memory foam 2 cm. This is the top layer of the fabric. This fabric is about 250 G knitted fabric. And if you want a good fabric, we also can make them. Please note that if you can change the, as you can see this design, you can change the color of the fabric. This is the fabric we're using for our bed.
Yes, the normal fabric. It's the same color with the bed.
Yes, we can make a different color to mix with the white top fabric. We also can change the zipper. It will become another design.
Yes, for the zipper you can make in the middle of the mattress, or normally we can use the outside of the mattress for this part. If you change the zipper to this part, it's another design.
And also the bottom, it is anti-slippery bottom fabric. So when you put the bed, it will be stopped from moving.